Hello guys, welcome back. Now we'll see how we can use OnInit interface and implement ngOnInit method in a component. OnInit is nothing but an interface and has a method called ngOnInit lifecycle method or a lifecycle. ngOnInit is invoked by Angular only once after the constructor is executed. The primary purpose of ngOnInit is to initialize the component after the Angular has set input properties. Okay. So let me show you how it works with a constructor. I have a hello world app running on localhost 4200. I'll inspect this and I'll pull up the console. So I have a console here and let me try to, I have a app component. This has a TS file which has a title and I have displayed this title in the app component HTML. Let me implement OnInit interface. So it gives me an error. It gives me an error saying ngOnInit method is missing in app component. Okay, let's try to implement that method. Let us print a message in console saying inside ngOnInit method. So you can see OnInit interface is imported and I have implemented ngOnInit lifecycle method. And as I'm running it, let me check if this message is in my console log. So it's printing inside ngOnInit method. Okay. Now we'll try to add a constructor. Console.log inside constructor, and let us check. So as you can see, the constructor is executed for the first time and then followed by the ngOnInit method. So ngOnInit is always executed after the constructor. So that is it. You just need to know what is OnInit interface and how ngOnInit method works, and also the constructor of a component. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.